Уважаемые гости, из-за несоблюдения правил противопожарной безопасности в одном из номеров сработала пожарная сигнализация. Просим вас сохранять спокойствие. Мы предприняли все...
Yeah, definitely need that coffee. So that was an interesting way to be woken up at about 1 o'clock this morning. You don't get woken up in your hotel room every day like this. So apparently there was a fire in a room somewhere, but it got put out pretty quickly. Yeah, the announcements were, for the most part, in Russian.
Уважаемые гости, из-за несоблюдения правил противопожарной безопасности...
And it took a while before the English version.
The fire alarm conditions have been assessed and the situation is now back to normal.
Didn't have to go and stand out in the cold, didn't quite make it that far, made it to a corridor. Doors were shut, got through those, and then bumped into someone from the hotel who was saying no, all okay. Just happened to grab the phone, flicked record. Yeah, nothing more to say on that really. It really is kind of exciting and a great honour to be able to be this close to the Kremlin, to think that the Russian lawmakers are sitting inside this building. One of the things you can do is buy tickets to a tour of the Kremlin, and so that's what we're going to do now. You go to the ticket office, or you can do it yourself at one of the self-serve ticket terminals. Snowing today obviously, and for someone who doesn't see a lot of snow normally, it's pretty special. Makes everything like a magical winter wonderland. It's very cool. Access to the cathedral square within the Kremlin by buying tickets. There's a little bit of security to get through, and then you're free to access the cathedral square and a number of other archaeological sites within the Kremlin. Kind of amazing that for a place you've only ever heard about or seen in the movies, but you can actually access it and look around cathedrals within the Kremlin ground, many of which you can actually go into. A number of these cathedrals date back hundreds of years, and it's really quite cool to have a look at the architecture and the art and the paintings that are inside. A few balloons in the sky today. Not sure what that's about. Kind of reminds me of that scene in Mission Impossible.
Releasing in 3, 2, 1.
Best I don't mention that here. Figured out that there's red, white and blue balloons, which are the national colours of Russia, so obviously some sort of celebration or commemoration going on today. There's a number of really cool monuments around the square and inside the Kremlin. The Tsar's bell is amazing, so big, and then a number of cannons and other things like that. I actually thought the Kremlin would just be a building, but it's so much more than that. It really is worth a visit if you're lucky enough to be in Moscow. The cathedrals date back to the 1400s, and obviously the Kremlin and the Kremlin walls were built around it. So it's quite incredible to come inside and actually have a look. During the war,